So this artwork is combined with different flowers.
Yeah, different flowers.
Material, right?
And a lot of accessory here inside. You know, I think the big flower down here and the two big rose buds here. One big, one small, and with some hydrangea. This hydrangea also roasted, same like the rose. They're burnt on fire, so it looks special. Okay, I'd like to show another color. You see the color match. It's a good match. The accessory, the flowers, and this one, the color, roasted here, the flower petals. Okay.
Okay. What's next?
Okay, this is
Number 2.
number 2. So if you are interested, please make a screenshot and then let us know. Okay, so next one. Okay. Also is the same style, but with different accessories. See this color, also a tube. This is tube stem, and then with a lot different accessories and in the whole bundle. Mini rose, hydrangea, eucalyptus, and small rose. Okay, show this color. Maybe again for the 2 color. Okay.
So this is the number 3 product.
Number 3, under of rose in special color. With 11 rosebud, this bundle. Also for this one, we have a spring collection. Maybe I can show you, have okay, just compare. Spring color also is lamb. Later I can show you maybe. Now, so let's first see the autumn color. I like this color, very special. With 11 rosebud here. 11. Okay, this is autumn, and we have a spring color. It's very nice also. Which sells good, this one. Either the spring color or the autumn color. Both collection will have a good sales. So for the spring color, we make a number 18 and autumn color for 17. So this is 18, 17. Which one do you like? Tell me. Leave your message. I like both. Okay, now next one. Next one. Okay, it's good. This is yes, hydrangea mixed with rose. This one with 8 stems. So the hydrangea combined with rose, the color. You see the color. 8 stem with with six rose. So that's a good combination. You see also for this one, the green rose combined with light green hydrangea. That's good. And okay, maybe we can show this. Very good match, the rose color and the hydrangea color. Okay, so this is 19.
Remember to take a screenshot if you like.
Screenshot. Okay. Another one. Okay. You have different color. Okay. How many stems? This is by 15. 15 rosebud. 15. Okay, this solid color because only one flower rosebud. So with 15 pieces of rose. Okay, so
Number 20.
number 20. Rose bundle by 15. This is also decorative color. Decorative color for a bundle with, this is cymbidium orchid flower, and with rose, and with this is some small flower like hydrangea. I think this, and with some plastic fruits and with the leaves, green leaves. So a good combination. The stem is 2. Of course, mixed with some, just like this plastic, and 2 mixed. Okay, so this one in 4 color.
22.
22. Now next one.
Mixed.
The same series. Okay, it's the same, different color. Yeah, it's the same, different color. Okay,
22.
take 22, same. Yeah, 22 same in 3 color, different. Now another one. Dun, dun, dun. Nice.
Nice.
A basket of orchid. Okay, this is an orchid bundle by 6. We have a lot of colors here. Cymbidium flower head. Someone call it just orchid. Cymbidium by 6. This is these 2 spring color. And other 4 decorative color. Okay, this is decorative color. 23.